Hello, Geotech sophomores. This is some extra final exam review, just for you guys to kind of just watch, follow along, and hopefully this will help you on your final exam. So up first, we have a two-way table. We have some missing information in the table, and it's about video game consoles, PlayStation, Xbox, or neither, as far as what preferred console it is. And we have elementary, middle, and high school kids. So our first question is fill in the missing numbers in the table. So to do that, we're either going to add or we're going to subtract. So like here, for the Xbox column, because this is the total that we're missing, we're going to add 20, 30, and 50. So 20 plus 30 plus 50. And again, this is without a calculator. So that's 20 plus 30 is 50, plus 50 is 100. So this empty box here is 100. This box, well, we can look at it two ways. It's either going up this way or it's going left to right this way. So because we know the total of the column or the row, we can subtract the other two numbers from the total. So I'm going to go up and down this way. So we have 30, and we have 10, and we have 15. So we're going to go 30 minus 10, which is 20. And then we have to subtract, in this case, the 15. Like if there was no other row here, like if this row was gone, then we would just do 30 minus 10. But here we have minus 15, which is going to be 5. Okay. And now this total here, this is the total of this row. So all we have to do is add up these numbers in this row to get this total. So that would be 10 plus 50 plus 70. Right, we're adding all those together, and that's going to be 6 and 7 is 13, so that is 130. Okay, so that's number one done. Number two, what is the probability a kid will prefer neither console? So this says a kid, not a specific kid. It could be any kid. So any kid prefers neither console is 100 kids. And because it's probability, we're going to write our answer as a fraction, so that's out of a total of 230 kids. Number three, what fraction of the middle school kids prefer Xbox? So it's only concerned with middle school kids. There's 30 that prefer Xbox out of a total of 60 kids. So this is 30 out of 60. And don't worry about reducing. Number four, given that a kid is in high school, so we're only dealing with high school kids, what is the probability that they will prefer PlayStation? So that's 10 out of 130 kids. Okay, because again, we see that word probability, and that word probability is going to give us a fraction. Okay, so that's the two-way table stuff. Now we're going to move on to the marble stuff. And for those of you that don't know what a marble is this thing right here. Right, little glass sphere object. So that is what a marble is. So we have a bag of 8 red marbles and 6 purple marbles. You pick out 2 marbles at random. If the first marble is purple, what is the probability the second marble will also be purple? I like to draw pictures. So we have red marbles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 red marbles. And then we have purple marbles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 purple marbles. The first marble is purple. So that means we're going to get rid of a purple marble. What is the probability the second marble will also be purple? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 purple marbles left out of, that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 total marbles left. Right, because we started with 14, 8 and 6 is 14, but once we take a marble out, there are only 13 left. Okay, on to histograms. This is just a histogram of heights of black cherry trees. We have how many trees and the height here on bottom. Number 1 asks us how many trees were between 65 and 75 feet tall. So between 65 and 75 are these two values added together. So here this one is at 8. I'll just write all these in there for you so you can see. So here this bar is at 8. This bar is at 3. So 3 plus 8 is 11 trees. This question, how many trees were between 70 and 85? So now that's between 70 and 85. So that's going to be these 3 bars added together. So that's 8 plus 10 plus 5. So 8 plus 10 plus 5, which is 18 plus 5, which is 23 trees. Okay, so that's histogram stuff. Some more stuff. This is going to be some triangle stuff. So here we have a transversal with parallel lines. The angles are either equal to each other or it's supplementary subtract from 180. So I can see here that's not really showing up. So this is 73 and this is 54. I'm just going to write it bigger so you can see it. And here we're trying to solve for x in both cases. So here, these angles are alternate exterior, but if you're not really sure or remember what that vocab means, we can tell that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 narrow angles that are all the same, and then 4 big angles that are the same. So these are both a narrow angle, so this is just 73. Whereas this one, we have 54 is a narrow angle, x is a wide angle, so they're different, so we're going to have to subtract from 180. Remember, 0 minus 4 can't do, got to borrow. 10 minus 4 is 6. 7 minus 5 is 2. So that is 126. All right, fill in the missing congruency statements. So here we have triangle ABC, and we're just going to match it to this triangle. So A's got 2 squiggles on it, so does D. So that's our first letter. Then we have B. B has 1 squiggle, so does E. And then finally C matches with F. And that's it. Same thing for this one, even if they're connected. We have DCE is congruent to triangle. Well, let's see, D's that skinny corner, so that matches with A. C, these angles are vertical, so it matches with itself. And then E, the right angle, matches with B. Okay, and finally, this is going to be video 1. There'll be 2 more videos. I'll break it up into three sections for you. So we have triangle JKL is similar to triangle STU. So that means, triangle JKL is similar to triangle STU. So that means J matches with S, K matches with T, L matches with U. So what is the measurement of angle K? This is what we're trying to find. Okay, angle K. Angle K matches with angle T. So K and T are the same. So if I find T, then I know K. T is part of this triangle where you have 2 angles. Remember, angles in a triangle add up to 180. So I can add 90 plus 60. This is the 90, right? That's where that came from. It's 150. And I can subtract from 180, and I will get 30 degrees. So T is 30 degrees. Therefore, K is also 30 degrees. Okay, so that's part 1, and then there'll be part 2 and 3 right after this.